Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am going to share something special, something powerful that will surely help you to improve your English. So here I want your attention. So please stop doing whatever you are doing. Listen the things carefully so that I can share what things I have about which I am talking, because there are so many people have this kind of problem that they know English in their mind but they don't know how to speak. So it is not a big problem, it is a very common problem, and today I will explain you that how you can remove it and how you can become fluent speaker. What is your weakness because of that you are struggling so far. So please stay with me and watch this video till then. Today I will tell you everything. No? So first of all, I would like to ask you, please tell me on comment, how long have you been learning English? 1 year, 2 year, maybe more. That is okay. So first, I have some question which you should tell me on comment. So my question is that, can you understand English? Can you read English? But you don't know speak English. When someone asks you something in English, you feel difficult. You unable to give them answer. So what will you think about it? That I don't know English. There is nothing. This is a very easy technique about which I am talking. You should do it every day. Believe me. If you do it every day for 10 days, you can become very fluent speaker. Believe me. First of all, I would like to tell you about myself, that how I learn English and how I practice English every day, because as you know that I don't have any kind of friend, and what family I have, they don't speak English. And so how I practice every day. Today I will talk about it. So as you can see that here I am speaking in front of the camera. Maybe everybody have cell phone. It is okay if you don't have cell phone. So I want to ask you one thing that you should think about it. So I will ask you that, do you have a mirror? You can't say no that I don't have mirror, because everybody have mirror in their home. You know, so you can speak in front of the mirror. You will think that what I will speak in front of a mirror. That is okay. I will tell you, when you speak but you don't know how to speak, where to start, or what to speak. So here I will tell you, please don't skip this video. If you will, if you skip this video, I will unable to tell you that what things I have that you should do every day. So when you stand in front of the mirror, but that time you don't know what to speak, where to start. So see, you have to think that what I did yesterday, what I will do today, what I am going to do today. Like you can think about your past, present, future, and you should create a story about that, and you should speak in front of camera. Like if I talk about me, so here I will tell you about my day at the Tuesday. So yesterday I went to Delhi because uh, it was Tuesday yesterday, and every Tuesday I have to go the Hanuman temple. Yeah, so I went to the Chhatarpur Hanuman temple with my daughter, wife, as well as I have a one neighbor. I went there with them. Yeah. So first of all, I will say that how I went there. So I went there as soon as I out from my home, and I was searching that because that place is maybe uh, 10 kilometer far from here. So we we could unable to go on foot. So I we decide that we will go uh, by metro. So metro station is 10 kilometer far from here. So we was searched auto, and I went went to metro station via auto. After that, I went to metro station and I took four ticket, and I asked to ticket counter that will you tell me how much ticket are you selling, because I want to buy four ticket. He was saying that you have to pay 43 rupees for ticket. I said, okay, please give me four ticket. And I purchased four ticket from there. And after that, I seated on metro and I went to the Hanuman temple. I went there and I pray to God, because you know I believe on God. Because most of the people say that I don't believe on God, but I believe, because of God I am in this world. Whatever I am doing because of God. I know it is my energy, but what energy I have, because of that I have this energy. Yeah. So I believe on God. I don't know about you. You believe or not. I can't tell you about yourself, but I am telling you about myself. Maybe everybody should believe on God, because there are so many people say that I don't believe on God, but it is completely wrong, because my grandfather, my older what generation, like my grandfather, like my whatever I had in the past generation, they believed on God. That's why we should also believe on God. Yeah. So bye guys, I will meet you next vlog.